Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrusandwillow Skincare and Citrusandwillow Advanced Aesthetic courses. In today's video, I want to go over LED light therapy in conjunction with the LED light see-through hydrojelly mask. My device that I utilize in my treatment room is the Light Stim Elipsa, and it's in combination with the Hydrofacial. A common question that I often get from my students is, what exactly is LED and what does it do for the skin? First off, LED is also referred to as red light therapy and low light therapy, as well as LED light therapy. LED light therapy provides energy to humans similar to the way that plants absorb photons from the sun. There are two light colors, red and blue, that customize for different areas like anti-aging and acne, as well as pain relief due to its anti-inflammatory benefits. The colors correspond with different beneficial wavelengths of light. Studies have shown that the LED lighting can stimulate the body's cells, activating its own natural response for healing, rejuvenating, as well as creating its own optimal function. For example, stimulating collagen and elastin. NASA originally utilized LED lighting for plant growth experimentation, but then they found benefits of wound healing came from the lighting as well. LED lighting can also be used daily. It is great to use at home, but it's also great to bring into the treatment room. It is super beneficial. The results are instant. You and your clients will see it immediately. I will definitely attest to that. You definitely get better product absorption from the LED lighting, as well as decretion of inflammation on the skin. A common question that I get is it safe? I actually had a client ask, does this give you skin cancer? Absolutely not. Some LED lights can utilize UV, but LED for skincare does not utilize any UV. So it's definitely not going to cause any irritation to the skin. It actually reduces inflammation, and skin cancer is an inflammation of the skin cells. So it is a great treatment for inflammation, acne, lots of things in the treatment room, as well as hyperpigmentation, telangiectasia, etc. Because it's not UV, it does not cause burns. It actually can be used in conjunction with chemical peels as an anti-inflammatory piece of your treatment after a chem peel. There are a lot of different LED light therapy devices out on the market. I personally have utilized, besides Light Stim, Soluma, and some K-Beauty LED light sources. In my clinic, I personally use the Light Stim. The Light Stim is FDA cleared, which is a big bonus. However, in our training, from what we learned, we only utilize see-through masks for better light absorption. The mask that we use in our treatment room is the Esthemax, the LED light see-through hydrojelly mask. It is absolutely fabulous. I love to place it on and then place on the Light Stim. It absolutely creates better penetration of the lighting. I have read on some forums other SDs do use other masks, but due to our protocol with Light Stim, I only utilize the LED see-through mask to obtain better results for my client. This hydrojelly mask protects against dryness and irritation while allowing those wavelengths to pass through the mask to create those extra benefits for the skin. This mask contains 3 main ingredients: hyaluronic acid, organic green tea, as well as organic sprouted brown grain rice protein. All these ingredients allow different wavelengths of light to pass through the mask, hitting the skin cells below. I cannot wait to show you how to mix up this hydrojelly mask in combination with this Light Stim Elipsa. It is absolutely a fantastic treatment or treatment add-on. These are some of my favorite tools to mix up an Esthemax mask. The masks that I have purchased so far all have the same directions, but I want to quickly go over those and talk about the tools that I use to make it so much easier to get this mask mixed up and then placed on your client. I love a spatula. I utilize this small one. It seems to be easier for mixing up the powder and it doesn't splash it out everywhere. A rubber bowl always, so you can kind of move it around to get all of the hydrojelly mask out because it starts to set immediately. And I love this scooper from Esthemax. The reason I use this is because I used to use a different scooper and it doesn't work the same. This Esthemax scooper is amazing. You get exact measurements. They have serrated lines on the utensil so you can get your half scoop. And all of the masks that I have so far, like I said before, same directions. It's 1.5 scoops of powder to 1 scoop of cool water. Tip: do not use warm water. It will take forever for the mask to set. Utilize cool water. And if it's not enough water with the 1.5 scoop, you can use a little bit more water as desired. But I usually find that this works perfect. The 1.5 scoop to 1 scoop ratio is absolutely fantastic for mask placement. I want to give you a couple of tips on placing the mask. Definitely, like I stated before, use cool water. I also avoid the eye area when I'm utilizing the Light Stim. 1, if they have lash extensions, but 2, it's for the placement of the goggles. It allows it to be more flush, protecting the eyes better. If you decide to utilize an LED light therapy device in your clinic or treatment room, make sure that you follow your product manufacturer's guideline on timing and exactly how to place your device and exactly what masks you can or cannot use with the device as well. I make sure that I follow my device's protocols, and Light Stim Elipsa is 12 minutes for acne and 16 minutes for anti-aging, and we are allowed to use a mask as long as it's see-through. So that is why I particularly picked this Esthemax, as I do love a lot of their products. I get a lot of questions on LED light therapy. I hope this answers some of your questions, or it encourages you to bring some LED lighting into your treatment room. It is a great modality to add to any treatment menu. I absolutely love utilizing my Light Stim Elipsa. It is so amazing with the results. Like I said before, it's absolutely instant and noticeable to you and your client. Again, make sure that you are following your device's protocols. I really hope that you guys like this video. We are putting out a video a week to help you guys. Let us know what you want to learn about, whether you're a new or seasoned esty. I've been in this industry a really long time. I do mentoring, and I can truly help you guys succeed going forward with your business and building clientele, utilizing products and modalities. Citrusandwillow Advanced Aesthetics is here for you to build your business and your clientele. If you like this video, press that like button, subscribe, and in the comments below, let us know what you want to see next Friday.